This is a run for our life. We have to get to that waterfall before anybody else. Imagine the crowd at the back. Jesus. I know you're wondering how I got here. Honestly, this exploring thing is just drama upon drama. I'm tempted to gist you with mouth, but it's better to show you. I sabi waka. No, I sabi run to AWHUM. Oya, editor, show them the beginning. No, now I said the beginning, not highlights. Sorry about that, guys. Guys, it's touchdown, Enugu. We're already stressed and tired. So many checkpoints, one more. If not, we would have gotten to Enugu late. We would have gotten to Enugu earlier. So the museum we wanted to visit has closed. Let's see what we can touch in 24 hours. But I'm spending 24 hours in this state, not more than 24 hours. We are hungry. We want some snacks to eat. Some drink.
God have mercy upon us.
Hi guys, look at my host, my Enugu host. Say hi. Hello. Out for some nightlife. Hello. Our location for tonight. I hope something nice is happening here. Baby, hello. Hi, beautiful people. Enugu is chilled. I won't lie. Since I came here, the air is very clear. I like the scenery. I like the atmosphere. But I want to see one of the wonders of Nigeria called AWHUM Waterfall, and I'm currently headed there. I'm heading to meet my tour guide. Then from there we'll proceed to my location. We're trying to sort out our food in case we're not able to get any food on the way.
In case you're not there, the only food you still there is the food they get for the goats. Was one of the foremost roads that was built by the Europeans coming into Enugu. So coming from Lagos, they came to start for mineral resources, silver and stuff like that. Yeah. So they now got here and found coal in commercial quantities. They now came to mine the coal. So that was why this road was built.
Okay.
To now access the other parts of town. But this was the only road from Lagos into Enugu in the past. This community was one of the foremost communities that had a lot of European touch because they lived here a lot. And they loved the height difference. So they loved the nature they found here. So they built houses around here, stayed there, and then supervised the coal mining operation down there.
Go pine forest.
I didn't want to leave the pine forest, but I had to. It was finally time to explore AWHUM. We waited a few minutes to go in, and then you know what happens next.
This is a run for our life. We have to get to that waterfall before anybody else. We must get there first. We should have dropped this bag. So this is the route to the monastery. That's our tour guide at the front. Official tour body. This boy Kalao. If not, we will sleep here today. I have to wear my gown because this is a holy place. It's a this is monastery. So I found myself you can't wear shorts inside. They will not allow you. So we brought long gowns with us to wear and go in. This is a coal mine leading up the path to the waterfall. So you know why they call Enugu Coal City, because it has a lot of coal mines. Those are coals over there. Can you see those coal? So our AWHUM waterfall also has a cave. hike back is not an easy one. Jesus, my legs are already tired. Really, really tired. Guys, this place is, what is the word? Is it magnificent? Is it breathtaking? I don't know the exact words to use to describe this place. And I'm sure my video, this vlog, is not going to do justice to the... I'm short of words. But I'm so happy that I made this journey here. I'm so happy. I wanted to almost cry. I thought I wasn't going to make it here. But I'm glad that I got to AWHUM Waterfall. Guys, we made it. God, I feel fulfilled. I feel accomplished. We made it to our starting point. Our starting point was just over there. Can you see that car? Where that car is? That was our starting point. This was a really long walk, but I'm glad I experienced this. This is one in a lifetime experience. I might not be able to come here again, but I know that I have experienced this, and this was an amazing experience. Now I'm confused. What's my highlight of my trip? Is it Obudu Ranch or is it AWHUM Waterfall? I have to think deeply about this and I have to make a choice. The highlight of my trip is Obudu. Anyways, both trips have their significance. Both trip has their significance. This was an adventure trip, a fun-filled trip, and Obudu kind of, shaped me a little. The journey to Obudukatu Ranch made me face my fears because I had so many fears. I hated road trips, and from Calabar to Obudu is almost 9 hours or above 9 hours. And I also had fright for bikes because I had a bike accident in late 2020. So I'm not being able to enter bikes and even go for a long distance. And I had to do almost 3 hours on a bike. After Obudukatu Ranch, then this is my number 2. So you need to visit AWHUM Waterfall. Make sure you visit AWHUM Waterfall. I'm heading to my next location. I don't know where it is, but stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you loved this video. Hit the subscribe button. Don't be stingy with your subscribes. I need it to grow. See you in my next video. Bye.